The 7 finest books to teach children about money. Hi, welcome to RCe Finance Guide, where we'll be talking about the topics of handling finances and making money. This channel will definitely boost your financial vocabulary. First is our trivia question. How old are the children when they have a solid understanding of the value of money? Stay until the end of the video to get the answer. Mom and Dad, get a pen and paper and read the 7 finest books to read about money to your kids. Number 1. Best book for early readers overall, Dollars and Cents, A Berenstain Bear's Adventure. There are several books on money in the beloved Berenstain Bears series by Sid and Jen. Berenstain for children aged 3 to 7, and they're all well worth buying. Papa Bear tries to teach Brother Bear and Sister Bear about budgeting in the most recent one, The Berenstain Bears Dollars and Cents 2001. The splurging siblings learn about earning a wage, the value of savings money, and how to avoid becoming greedy, selfish little monster. Fixated on money in the Berenstain Bears. Trouble with Money 1983. They go to the Bear Country Bank to create a saving account, and everything works out perfectly. Number 2. The 4 Money Bears are the best for basic financial lessons. Saver Bear, Spender Bear, Investor Bear, and Giver Bear are the 4 characters in this picture book for kids ages 3 to 7. It is written by certified financial planner Mark Gardner. It uses very relatable content to help children learn the fundamental concepts in finance. The theme of the narrative is the ability of various personalities to cooperate. It is age-appropriate and engaging for children. Number 3. The Money Bunny books are the best for preschoolers. Cinders MacLeod is the author and illustrator of Enduring Money Bunny book series, which has 4 volumes, Earn It and Save It, all of which were released in 2021, and Spend It and Give It, which was released in 2022. Each one teaches concepts associated with the book theme through the eyes of a different boy or girl rabbit. Carrots are used as currency in Bunnyland, the setting of the action. The series is an adorable and approachable intro to financial concepts for young children. These books are suggested for readers ages 3 to 5. If You Made a Million is the best book for an introduction to financial mathematics. If You Made a Million by David M. Schwartz, a multiple award winner, teaches 4 to 8-year-olds about money and counting with Marvelosissimo, the mathematical magician. From a single penny to $1 million, Marvelosissimo demonstrates how different combination of coins and paper money piled up. Additionally, he introduces the idea of interest, both interest that banks pay on deposits and the interest that borrowers pay on loans. If you like this book, which was released in 1989 and republished in 1994, you might also like How Much is a Million? And Millions to Measure, another work by Schwartz and Stephen Kellogg illustration collaboration. Number 5. The Savings Shock, Rock Brock. Rock and the Savings Shock, a 2017 book by Sheila Beer with illustration by Barry Gott, tells the rhythmic story of twin brothers Rock, a spender, and a Brock, a saver. The boys, who appear to be around 8 or 9, are inspired to save by their shrewd grandfather, who pays them $1 per week to complete tasks and promises to double their money if they don't spend it. Rock eventually goes bankrupt, whereas Brock has $512 at the end. Fortunately, Rock learns from his mistakes and changes his ways. A table comparing the growth of Brock's money against Rock's lack thereof, and a kid-friendly explanation of the glories of compound interest are included in the book's conclusion. If Bear's name seems familiar, it may be because she was frequently featured in the media during 2007 to 2008 financial crisis, calmly assuring Americans that their bank accounts were secure. Bear also served as a chairperson of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation from 2006 to 2011. Number 6. Finance 101 for Kids. Money lessons children cannot afford to miss is the best book for children to read on their own. According to financial industry veteran Walter Randall, his experiences as a father of 4 children served as the inspiration for this 2016 book and its 2021 sequel, Finance 101 for Kids. The book, written for middle school students in grade 8 to 12, is a model of clarity and covers a variety of subjects, including the standard ones like earning, saving, investing, and credit, as well as some complex ones like the stock market, foreign exchange, and fundamental economic ideas like supply and demand, inflation, and unemployment. Andal claims that his objective is not to transform kids into know-it-all investors or business tycoons, but rather to present basic yet important information for children to develop financial responsibility and help them make smart financial decisions early in their lives. Richard Peter David drew the illustrations for the book. Number 7. Best Pre-teen Book Overall: How to Make $100 into $1 Million. Children ages 6 to 12 are the intended audience for the 2016 book, How to Turn $100 into $1 Million, especially future business owners and millionaires. The topics covered by authors James McKenna, Johnny Glista, and Matt Fontaine are age-appropriate and include setting financial goals, budgeting, saving, investing, making money from a job, and starting a business. However, younger children will probably benefit the most from it. The book does a commendable job of balancing inspiration with realism by highlighting the fact that accumulating riches doesn't magically but rather requires discipline and hard, frequently unglamorous effort. It has 2-page millionaire marketing strategy as well as 1-page company plan and a budget tracker. There is no shortage of excellent books about money for children, whether they are young children who love having an adult read to them or older children who can read on their own. Fortunately, there are many publications on the issue for parents who don't have the knowledge, time, or desire to talk to their children about money. The trivia answer is age 7 or 8 years old. According to a review of the academic literature conducted by 2 child development specialists at the University of Cambridge in England, by the time they are 7 or 8 years old, many children have a solid understanding of the value of money, as well as how money replacements like credit cards function. If you have any feedback or questions about this video or topics you would like to see covered, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated in all of our latest videos.